Ladies and gentlemen.
Number one. HD videos. Touch Up TV. Touch Up TV Live. HD video.
Touch Up TV Live. HD digital video.
It's my turn. I feel so high. Like if I can fly. So intensify. I don't know why. It's time to party, jump around. Everybody, alcohol is in my body. Eating vodka and even Bacardi. I'm looking for a cute, sexy shorty. Animal time now we acting dirty. I don't want to start no fight with nobody. You look best and you acting naughty. When you sing, say, how are you? Touch your toes. Baby girl, how are you? Do it real slow. Your body look best, you are the star of the show. Your body look best, nobody can say no. Girl, I want to hold you down and just whine. Girl, I want to hold you down and just whine. Girl, I want to hold you down and just whine. I like that sexy thing from behind. Girl, I want to hold you down and just whine. Girl, I want to hold you down and just whine. Girl, I want to hold you down and just whine. You leave that sexy thing on me mind. Girl, just bring that body, I need that body. Just bring that body in front of me. I want you turn that body, just shake that body. Break that body in front of me. Just twist that body, bend that body. Bring that body right next to me. I want you bend up your body. When you turn up your body, just shake that body in front of me. It's time to party, jump around. Everybody, alcohol is in my body. Eating vodka and even Bacardi. As soon as she walk into the club, I look into her eyes. Well, instantly I get hypnotized. I almost started to fantasize. Reality check, I want to be my prize. You will be the nurse, I'll be the doctor. I think I have this time to conduct ya. They say I am the girls, them rider. I will make you climb on the wall like a spider. I want to hold you down and just whine. Girl, I want to hold you down and just whine. Girl, I want to hold you down and just whine. You put that sexy thing on my mind. Girl, I want to hold you down and just whine. Girl, I want to hold you down and just whine. Girl, I want to hold you down and just whine. You leave that sexy thing on my mind. Girl, I need your body, just bring your body, just bring that body in front of me. I want you turn that body, when you bend that body, just bring that body right next to me. When you shake that body, yeah, you see.
Yeah, touch up nightlife. Well, let's see what's going on in the streets of New York. You understand? That's how it is, Touch Up TV, Touch Up Nightlife. That's how the thing is. We're live in Brooklyn, New York. and we just walk up on the accident. We don't know what really going on. But as much as we see, you also think mad. You understand? Trini Spider, what you think?
Yo, shit really out there. Yo, this could have been any one of we, son. You know what I'm saying? Could have been any one of we driving.
What do people say? What do people say go on?
I know the people and them don't know what's going on, but it's like they have somebody in custody right now. I think somebody trying to run away from the accident to cause it. But yo, as I say, this 2011 right now, we're going to 2012, and a lot of people in coming in 2012, yo. Don't know what's going on out here. That shit looks serious.
Let me show them what's going on the scene right now.
It's a sad story. It's a sad story. It's a sad story. It's a sad story. 2011 will approach. Can't believe that you're gone. 365 days in a year. Just got to keep going strong. Until dust is gone. Some of them can't believe you're gone.
As you can see, you know,
still strong when you live on. It's a sad story. It's a sad story. It's a sad story. It's a sad story.
Anybody you want to shout out right now?
Yeah, I want to give a shout out to my mother.
Right now, listen. Let them know you live on Touch Up TV. Touch Up TV.
Touch Up TV? Yeah, I'm live on Touch Up TV straight from Brooklyn.
Whoa, that's what we're doing. Hold on. Back to the news now. Yes, we live on scenes.
You should have been out here for all of this.
I didn't like, no, I was up there recording all the time. Alright. Yeah, Touch Up fans, Touch Up Nightlife fans, we gotta get out of here before they seize the camera for evidence. Evidence! Peace. Only later.
Bye.
Alright.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Number one. HD videos. Touch Up TV. Touch Up TV Live. HD video.
Touch Up TV Live. HD digital video.
Welcome to Touch Up TV Nightlife channel.
Number one. HD videos. Touch Up TV.
Touch Up TV Nightlife YouTube channel.
Touch Up TV Live. HD digital video.
Touch Up TV in the building. Number one. HD videos. Touch Up TV. Touch Up TV in the building. Touch Up TV in the building.
Touch Up TV Live. HD digital video. Everybody get
tri-state area, right now I'm gonna give you microphone etiquette. This is not a studio microphone. So most DJs and soundmen hold a microphone like this. This muffles your voice. As you see, when I talk, no matter which microphone it is, I talk like this. I talk straight from my gut, not my throat. That's why I never get hoarse, and I always sound loud because I'm naturally loud. Do you remember, never cover this like this or like this. This is what the logo's there for. You hold it like this. It feels awkward because you're not used to it, but trust me, everything gets out. We can hear your voice.
Number one. HD videos. Touch Up TV. Touch Up TV. In the building. Touch Up TV. In the building.